Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't install TikTok error on Google Play Store, right? So the problem is not in TikTok mobile application, but the problem is in Play Store. So the very first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the setting of our phone, and here we have to scroll a little bit down, and basically you have to select the apps, and here just select the app management. In your phone it can be somewhere else, and right now we will select the Play Store, right? So I'm not going to scroll it down, I will just find it here. So I will just write here play Google Play Store here and just click here, and the first thing you have to do, you have to force stop. Okay, and after force stopping, just go to the storage usage and clear all the cache. This is very important guys, and after that you have to clear the data, right? And after clearing the data, it will definitely fix a problem, and this is it. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.